My name is Karen Walsh-Fortin, and I am the math specialist at Florence Sawyer School in Bolton, Mass., and I teach grades kindergarten through 8th grade. We're going to do a subtraction problem that looks like this.
Wow. Oh,
okay?
Wow.
For me. There's 4. And then we're going to take away, how many are we taking away? Maggie?
1.
1. And then we need to figure out what that's equal to. Don't look at the answer.
I don't.
Let's figure out how we do that. Can you guys talk about it? How would I do this, Maggie?
You would take away a counter,
Okay.
and then
So take away 1, and then I'm left with 3. Nice job. We're going to each have a turn. Maggie is going to build it. You're going to make the problem just like I did. Only one of these will be blank because it's a problem for you to figure out.
wait. Are you gonna do like part whole?
You're right. This is part whole. Good job.
I said part.
Oh, well, which one is the whole?
This one because it's the biggest one. Oh, that's the biggest one.
If we
add 2 more for this one, then it would be the biggest.
it would.
Part
But what would we
whole.
do with these 2 to get that one? Kaylee.
You would add that one, to that one, and then it would be 4.
You're right. So part, whole. In a subtraction problem, which one of these 3 numbers is the whole? Maggie,
The 4, because it's the biggest.
how many is here?
18.
That's 10.
Okay, that's 10 into 8, so it's 18.
It is. Minus
Zero.
something.
Here.
Something. That's our question.
8. Oh, 4. And 9.
Okay.
I
Can
was
you
say
build
4.
it, Maggie?
Yes.
Kaylee, can you read the sentence to me so far?
18 take away blank equals 9.
Good. Dominic, can you read it to me?
18 minus blank equals 9.
So now, I want you to think about it.
Equals 8.
It's equal to 8. Is that
If
close?
you add one more, then it's 9.
It is. So it's really close to take away 10, isn't it? What do you think, Maggie?
if you just take away, we could put a plus sign, so we could solve it like 9 plus something equals 18.
You're right. Very good. If you add these 2, you're going to get that one. So what would we add to 9 to get to 18? Dominic, what do you think? Speed doesn't make good thinking. When a task takes longer, it means they're really thinking deeply about it, and I want them to figure it out, so I try to give them as much wait time as I can. Okay, so what I want you to do is make a number line from 0 to 15. All the different models in Symphony Math are great because they're very visual, and children need lots of visuals when they're trying to comprehend and understand math. 2 of my students here today are ELLs, which means English is their second language. And because Symphony Math is so visual, they can get it, they can grasp it. Sometimes the dot cards are great because they're subitizing, and we work with cards the same way. So they look at it and they know it's already 5 and 5, and then you have 3 and 2. You can add these together and make 10, and 5 more is 15. So they can figure that out without counting each one, because that's part of knowing what numbers are. When they're using a number line, they can see how many they're jumping. They can see that jumping 2 is smaller than jumping 5, so they get distance and they get quantity, and numbers bigger, or coming backwards, the same thing.
You looked on the number line,
Turn it around so you can look at it.
So we took away 5, and when we took away 5, we landed on 9. So then we put 9 there.
Oh, so you started with 14, and you did that on a number line, and you took away 5, and you got 9. And how did you know you could take away 5 to get the other part?
Because so if like it's a missing part there, and there's already a part there, then you could take away 5 to get the other part that you missed.
Our goal as math teachers is to make problem solvers. And problem solvers work together with other people. So by teaching them those skills of working together and staying on task will help them later on in life as well.